I want to start shooting more long form content, but setting up audio is the bane of my existence. We only have a certain amount of time in between our toddler's naps or lack of naps. It's currently giving inefficient. So we are going to go to Best Buy and find something that's mobile friendly that I can attach to my digital camera that I can just pick up and go. Kevin and I got this GorillaPod creator kit mainly for the audio setup because we can use it with our mirrorless camera and my iPhone. It was originally $90, but because it was already open, we got it for $50 or something like that. But it was an open box price. So this is nice. I like this presentation. It's giving. We're into it. Windscreen, the tripod, the phone mount, and then I think this is the case, and then the cable should be somewhere in here. Oh, something to keep in mind, this GorillaPod creator kit does not come with a lightning USB adapter, so we had to purchase one separately. This was like $9 or something like that at Best Buy. I want to test this out now. Let's see. Oh, this is actually... So if it doesn't work, that's on us. Or on me. Definitely not gonna do with my nails. This is not nail girly friendly, I'll tell you that much. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hopefully the audio is giving. We would love this. This would be a major win. All right, let's listen to it. Fortunately, this one seems to be working pretty decently. So we'll see. Tomorrow I'm going to be using this microphone with my iPhone to record all of the UGC videos that we have.
Good morning.
What are we doing today?
Crunching in the leaves.
Crunching in the leaves. What else? What else should we do today?
Maybe play hide and seek.
That's a good idea. What else?
Jumping on a big chair falling around. Where is the freeze? Mama, I'm making my skin pink. So much glue.
It's such a late start to filming today. It's been a rough day for the Tomsacks. Layla's just not napping. I think she's going through a leap. We're just trying to figure it out. So with that being said, we're just filming as much as we can with the light that we have, and we're gonna make it work. What's in my apostrophe box? What's in my apostrophe box? What's in my apostrophe box? And we have my custom apostrophe treatment. We filmed the first video and the B-roll, and now we're gonna do the next video. I want to take off just kind of switch my fit a little bit. Switch the vibes up. Oh, batch filming, my gosh, with a toddler who does not want to nap. It's an extreme sport. So far, I'm loving the GorillaPod creator kit that we got at Best Buy yesterday. I'm using the tripod for behind the scenes clips using my iPhone, and then I'm using the microphone to film the audio for all of the UGC videos. And the audio you're hearing right now is also filmed with the microphone that came with the kit. I've also been filming some behind the scenes clips using the digital camera that I got from TikTok Shop. And I'm really excited to look at the footage. I feel like it's gonna give it a cute little like vintage vibe. Kind of like the square on, but I probably will take it off. All right, time to get dressed. I was just talking to Kevin earlier about how we just need to go outside more. Like, it's so easy for us to just get sucked into like the day-to-day, especially as, I mean, the day is chaotic. Like, usually we don't have the time or energy to leave the house, maybe, but I feel like on days where we don't have a lot going on in terms of filming for our client projects, we need to head out. We just need to go out of the house just to get our creative juices going again. It's just so easy to get like stuck in the mundane, stuck into your day-to-day grind and lose your creative spark. So I think we're ready. So I made a video about things I use to clear up my skin, and I mentioned this brand Apostrophe, which is basically an expert derm team that you can get access to from your living room. Okay, we're doing it. Thanks, babe. Thanks for setting up, and also thanks for making dinner. All right, it's time for dinner, and then we will edit.